Hello, Facebook. Hello, family and friends. I wanted to log back on. The banana nut bread has finished baking, and I also had enough batter left over that I made a little miniature banana nut bread. And I want to show you, this is the, it's still a little hot, the banana nut bread. Woo, hold on one second. It is hot. Let's see if I can grab it here without burning myself. Okay, this is the finished product of the banana nut bread. So I'm going to transfer it to a plate, and I'm going to enjoy a slice. So when you take the banana nut bread out of the oven, make sure you let it cool for about 10 or 15 minutes before you try and remove it from the pan. So in order to remove it from the pan, you want to sort of stroll around the edge of the pan with the knife to make sure that the edges are loose. So when you do that, you get you another plate. I'm going to sit this down just for one moment. Whew. And we hope that this comes out great. So we're going to flip it over. Whoa, about to lose it there. So this is what it looks like before I flip it over onto another plate here. And here we go. This is our banana nut bread. I'm going to cut a slice to see how it tastes. And I must make a confession. This is my first time ever making banana nut bread. If you give me a recipe, you want to see how it's done, I will show you how to do it. So I'm going to cut into the banana nut bread to see what it tastes like. I'm pretty sure it tastes wonderful. So I have my, I'm going to get another salsa just one moment. So we're going to cut into it. Oh my gosh, it looks so wonderful. See how gorgeous that looks on the inside? Oh, it's steaming hot, you see that? So I'm going to put in just a little bit of butter on top. Just spread a little bit of butter over it. Oh, it looks so yummy. It smells so good. Let me get me a fork. And I put the dump cake in the oven. I'm going to let that bake, and then I'll come back and show you what that looks like after it's done. And then we will sign off for the evening. And I need to go to bed because I have work in the morning. And so do you, maybe. So let's give this a try. Hot. This is good. I'm not brave. This is my first time ever making it. And it tastes so yummy. It is really good. Y'all say yum. This is good. I'm going to finish this as my late night snack with my cup of tea. When I started drinking tea at night, I told myself I'm getting older. But it's all good. Well, this is really good. Again, I'll post some pictures of the banana nut bread and also of the dump cake. I'll be back in just a moment. That is good. It is yummy, feel it.